Welcome to the future where even the past looks this stylish. And yes, the TV still only knows 3 channels. The Matrix movie. Humanity is trapped inside a simulated reality created by intelligent machines.
Do not try and bend the spoon. That's impossible. Instead, only try to realize the truth.
What truth?
There is no spoon.
Please support the official movie.
Hello, my name is Eric, and welcome to the Matrix.
Do you want to spoon?
Of course. I love you, Trinity.
I love you more. My chosen Prince Eric.
I'll be back to see you, my lovely Trinity. It's just a spoon.
There's no spoon? That's why it bends.
Does Eric really think he can bend this spoon?
That's so funny. I just can't take that idea seriously.
In this AI-generated world, your mind is trapped. That is why you will never bend this spoon. Don't try and bend the spoon, that's impossible. Simply understand, it is you that bends.
It's not impossible. Watch me bend it.
Did you really bend this spoon, Eric? Let me see your spoon. Oh, God! Eric, you are the chosen one. Nobody has ever bent a spoon before!
My name is Eric, and if you want to bend the spoon, just spoon it.
Surprise! That's unexpected.
If you want to learn about AI, remember to subscribe to this channel, help this channel grow, and yes, I'll help you grow as well.